Conquering commas and periods with quotation marks. Hello, language explorers. Today, we're going to delve deep into the exciting world of punctuation. Specifically, we'll discuss how to use commas and periods with quotation marks. This is a fundamental aspect of English grammar, and mastering it will significantly improve your writing skills. Let's start with the basics. Quotation marks are punctuation marks used in pairs in various writing systems to set off direct speech, a quotation, or a phrase. They come in two flavors in English writing: single and double. However, for our discussion, we will focus on double quotation marks, as they are more common in American English. Now, let's get into the nitty-gritty. How do we use commas with quotation marks? Well, it's straightforward. When a comma is needed before a quote, it goes outside of the quotation marks. Here's an example for you. He said, "I'm going to the store." In this sentence, you see that the comma is placed before the opening quotation mark. This comma signals to the reader that a quote is about to come. Next up, we're going to discuss how to use periods with quotation marks. In American English, the period always goes inside the quotation marks. For example, he said, "I'm going to the store." Here, you see that the period is inside the quotation marks, marking the end of the quoted statement. Now that we've learned the rules, let's see them in action together. "My favorite color is blue," she said. "What's yours?" In this example, you see that we use a comma before the opening quotation mark, followed by a period inside the quotation mark at the end of the quoted sentence. We also start the next quoted sentence with a capital letter. So, that's it. A deep dive into using commas and periods with quotation marks in English. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep writing and use today's lesson to improve your punctuation skills. We hope this video has been helpful, and we're looking forward to seeing you in the next one. Happy learning, everyone!